Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the how Google Shopping Ads works. So for Google, if you want to run Google Shopping Ads, you need Google Merchant Center. So where your product will list on the Google. So I'll show you how the Google Shopping Ads will look like. See in the Google search, if you search about the product, for example, I search cushions. We can also search like search menswear shirts. Here is how the shopping ads will look like. And these ads will also display on the YouTube and all the Google platforms. See, this is how the Google shopping ads will look like. So here we can also implement the reviews where our customers can directly click on the review uh, and they can check your reviews and they can check the offers as well. See here, free by 25th July. So the free shipping details or the offers which you're running. So you can integrate everything. Here, I'll just give an overview in this video. So how can we, because I could not able to uh, link the current Google Merchant Center with my Google Ads account due to some client restrictions. But I'll show you the overview of the how Google Merchant Center will look like. See, this is how the Google Merchant Center will look like. You can check what are the products are available and how many products are rejected on the daily basis, how your shopping ads are displaying, how it is performing on the countries. Okay, you can check the demographics, the performance of shopping ads, dynamic remarketing, the performance free listing. You can check everything here itself. If the free listing is boosting, it will show the free listing. But mostly we will, if you are spending some amount on the Google ads, this is what you need to very specific about. Here in the Google Merchant Center, will integrate all the e-commerce products. If you are using Shopify, if you are using WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or if you are just using your own website, you need to integrate with the Google Merchant Center. Then all products will be list in the Merchant Center. Then you can run the Google Ads with the Google Ads account. Once you link your Merchant Center with the Google Ads, Google Ads account will automatically take your product and display based on the demographics you said will take the most first thing it will take the demographics and your the audience interest and it will also show based on the uh, your keywords listing and customer uh, interest what are the previous products he has checked on and what he searched the customer search history is he already been to your website or not, so it will check all the parameters and it will suggest the ads. So mostly for this is only for e-commerce business who want to sell the products. See here, this is the performance of that Google Shopping, Google Merchant Center. How many products are there? How many products are approved? How many products are rejected? It will give all the information. How many clicks are you have there? If the free listing traffic is dropping in the online store, is also the drop traffic is keep on dropping. If you check the products overview, it will list the active product and disapproved product. Disapproved means it will check the offers you are giving. It will also check the shipping detail, perfect shipping details, the weight, and also tax information. It should have the specific tax information, everything. The details should be perfect. And in the marketing, you can add the promotions, so you can add the product reviews, you can add the campaigns here itself, and you can also check your competitors, your opportunities, price competitiveness, what are your competitor brands. Okay. So here you can check everything. And when we visit the Google Ads campaign, we should have the merchants and practice to promote these ads. But this is very easy to integrate. You just need to pick the bidding strategy. That's it. What are the people you need to target? First thing, you need to set the demographics, then budget, then the bid strategy. You want conversions or you want clicks, you want impressions, what the that's it. Then Google will take care of everything. So no need to like work more on the Google shopping ads. You need to select few details. What is your monthly or daily budget? What is how many products? Anyhow, the products you want to run. For example, you have a number of categories. For only for few categories you want to select, you can select the few categories and you can run the ads. Okay, instead of running to all the products. Then what is your bid strategy? You want conversions or you want clicks, impressions? So based on that, Google will take care of everything. Okay. That's it. That's it. The brief introduction about the Google Shopping ads. This is just like a performance. Anyhow, in PMAX ads, this option is already there. But if you want to run only shopping ads, you can run. But now, as Google already implemented the PMAX ads, we're not most of the people are not preferring to run separate shopping campaigns. And that's about the shopping campaign. I will make another video on this Google Shopping ads because of you need to you can have some idea about this. So I also explore other ad campaigns in this ad in this video. So let's create campaign without go. So these are shopping ads. Let's go with the video. Because most of the people will be watching YouTube and watching YouTube skip ads, right? So here is a campaign subject type. Here is a campaign type and here is a campaign subject type because in other ad campaigns we don't have this, but the video ads are completely different. When here they'll check your number of views, watch time, how much time people are watching. You want skip ads or Google ads, it will check everything. Efficient reach, target frequency is how many times a user, like how many times you can target a single order. Okay. Non-skippable reach 15 seconds. This is costly, but if you are launching a new product, this is people can know about your product because when you run the skip ads, they always focus on the skip button. They won't focus on your ad. But when you run the non-skippable ad, they'll focus on your campaign. They'll at least they know about your brand. Here also we have the drive conversions. If you want to only audio campaign, you can run because these audio campaigns where Google will display in the YouTube Music and also Geo7, and you can't run on the Spotify, but the Geo7 any music apps if you are using. Here we will get a campaign name. See, CPM is just like cost per thousand impressions. Okay, CPC is cost per click. CPM is cost per thousand impressions. So for every thousand impressions, you need to pay 50 rupees, 60 rupees. This is very cost effective. This is a brand awareness campaign, not the conversion campaign. You can check daily. So if you put daily, so you if you want to, you will be having full control of the campaign. If you want to stop the campaign or if you want to run the campaign, you can have the better related videos. You can also include the related videos. Audi- Audience name has been set on the previous campaign. You can set the audience name and select the demographics. The targeted audience you want to select 18 to 64, 65, and household income top 10 to lower 50% parent. So we are covering everything. And if you have any details, what are the segments you want to display your ad, in what YouTube channels you want to display your, not channels, but the interest of the channels. Because see, in our channel, They are more focused on the digital marketing, web development, marketing, software related, this kind of stuff we have in our YouTube channel. But if the fashion, if you're running for the fashion industry, so you can run a skincare brand, you can run many things, right? So you can, based on the campaign type, you can select. If you have any additional data, you can give, and you can also give the keywords here at topics. So topics means, see, this is also interest of the audience. What are the like in the here we are targeting a YouTube channel, but here we are targeting the not channel, but a subject of the channel. Here, interest of the audience. So, to which audience we can target. Here we can select the video, which video we need to will copy or one of the videos. Then there is a lot of stuff, guys. Please do subscribe and encourage. This is too long because we need to select only 5 seconds video just for our purpose. And here we can select this final URL where when they click on the campaign, they need to visit this page, and we'll put the same as a display call to action. Learn to install WordPress theme. WordPress. So, let's do this. Okay. Write the ad name. If you want, you can also upload the image here. Same target CPM bit. You can to find it. Okay, cancel. Select another video. So go on YouTube channel. Clicks and videos. Also, videos are more than 1 minute. Let's select it. Okay. Let's publish because all our videos are more than 15 seconds. Then, if we add any errors, Google will like find us like this. Then we need to clear the error. That's it. Then go to the bid strategy, and you can publish the audience. So here, the estimated performance. So for our budget and the demographics which we have given, it is showing 24K, 91K as all impressions we will get on the based on the budget, and budget spend 100%, and the average CPM we had selected 500 on a daily basis, but the average CPM cost would be 175. Yeah, that's it, guys. So today we learned about the merchant center, shopping ads, overview, and how can we run YouTube ads. Please do subscribe, and I'll get more videos for you. Stay tuned. We'll learn about the JavaScript, HTML, React, and more coding tutorials as well. Once we complete this YouTube ad, Google ads will come with the meta ads, then WordPress with the Ecommerce and Shopify. I'll get all the videos for you. Thank you so much.